Good evening, Prince Chabata.
Good evening, viewers.
Let me start off by saying congratulations, Amushio Pemakoropoto for turning 22 years. I think it's a milestone that we have gone. How are you feeling today by turning 20 years old?
Actually, I'm turning 22.
You have already turned?
Yeah, I've already turned 22. I would love to give thanks to the Almighty for this opportunity He has granted me. I just want to thank the Lord also for His blessings and mercy upon me. I would like also to extend my gratitude to my family for this special moment, for the cake, for the love that they have given me.
Alright, Mr. Prince Chabata, what are your plans or what are your principles pertaining your future? What are you planning for your future? We can see that you have already turned 22 years. What are you planning in the near future?
Okay. Well, academically, I'm planning to be a chartered accountant. I'm planning to start a family at around 28, 29, around then. And also to have my own business.
Yeah. So you're planning to be a businessman in the near future?
Yeah, sure.
And today, how is the feeling of turning 22 years, from 21 to 22? And on that issue, I'm sure you share the same birthday day with the President, His Excellency Robert Mugabe. How is your feeling?
Well, I will not comment about the President. I'm not a politician.
Not about a politician, but being sharing the same birthday day with your president, not being only political, sharing the same birthday with your president.
With my president.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm
blessed to be
like a king.
I'm blessed to share my birthday with the president. We've seen him achieving a lot of things in his life. We've seen him. He has already turned 93. That's quite milestone. I would also want to achieve. Well, I think that's all.
Okay, I can see right now here our mom have just get crashed our interview. What message can you convey to your mom? She's around. What message do you want to send her as you turn 22 years? What do you actually want to say to her?
I would like to thank you, Mama, for the love. You are such a lovable mother. Yes, so I thank you for all those 22 years that you have been with me. And also, I would love to ask you something for my birthday.
You can ask.
I'm asking extra.
Are you willing to give him extra?
Woo, my son, I can't. I'm very sorry. You've asked what I can't.
Actually, we can give you jingle if you like. You can take it.
Alright.
Yes, of course I can give you.
Yes.
You've heard your mother saying I can't give you an extra. But on your side, what is that you are promising your mom that you are going to do in the near future? Let's say you get employment in the next future. What actually are you promising her so that what are you planning? What are you promising her?
Well, I'm a lot and a lot. Should I say a lot? Many and many their grandchildren. They are on their way, so you should be prepared for.
Is that all you can offer?
I think that's the best present ever.
So you're promising a lot of grandchildren.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, sure.
So right now, your father is not around, but I just feel you've got some words to convey to him, so that when you go through this interview, you will enjoy that. What message would you want to convey to Mr. Chabata?
Well, I would love, firstly, to thank him for being such a loving father, for supporting me financially, emotionally, socially,
Even in fields.
that's physical, yeah, maybe physical fields. And also, I would love to thank him for being around. It is a blessing to have a father around you. It is a blessing to get along with your family, and I just wanna thank him for that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Prince Chabata. But you know, there are other kids who are younger than you. What message do you want to encourage them so that they will reach your age? What message do you want to tell them?
Well, to Panache and to Fazo, I would love to advise them, well, they have to listen to what their elders will be telling them to do. They have to be obedient. They have to just should I say they have to oblige? Is it oblige? Yeah, to the whatever they have been, to the rules and the regulations, and they have to. They don't have to disappoint. They don't have to disappoint us. Well, the issue about chicks, it doesn't matter, but they have to be just focused on their education. They have to be focused what they want to achieve in life. If you're focused, you will never go wrong. So I'm just urging them to be focused and to obey our parents, and above all, obey God, who give us all the wisdom and understanding that we desire.
No girlfriends at their age. They must not get involved.
But I'm 18.
No.
Yes.
That's too young.
No.
Wait.
In life affairs.
Yeah, get
Such
crashing
your age.
Prince Chabata's interview. It's another debate that will take it some other time. Mr. Prince Chabata, what was your strength that have made you to be where you are? Your main strength that you can encourage these young guys. What was your strength?
Well, I was very religious. I was very close to God. And as you all know, God gives us all the wisdom. He gives us all our wishes and desire. So, if you want to be powerful, if you want to succeed in life, you have to obey God. You have to obey His commandments. Listen to whatever He says, and you'll never go wrong. So my strength is lies upon my Lord, my one and only Savior, who is in heaven.
So you're encouraging these guys that they should abide with God always. That was his, that was his strength. Okay, Mr. Prince, in rounding up this interview, what message? Oh, before we round off our interview, we have got mom. Mom, what message do you want to send to your son? We have just turned 22 years. You can see you're smiling, ever smiling. What message and encouragement about life you want to give him?
Mwanangu Prince, ndakukuudza kuti urambe uchienderera mberi noupenyu hwakanaka. Usadyiwa nenyika mwanangu. Rega nyika ikupfuure. Rega vanodyiwa nevanoti vanofara munyika vafarisisi. Kunomhanyirwa neruzhinji hakuna chiripo. Indane pakamanikana. Zvikura uchiziva Mwari. Ndo shoko guru randinokuudza kuti kunoenda amai vako endawo newewo, especially enda kuteramba uchinamata Mwari. Teedzera mitemo inogomo uchararama nokusingaperi. Ndinoshuvirawo kuzoonawo muroora wakura, but nawo hausati wakura. Ndinoshuvirawo kuzochengeta vazukuru nokuvaona ndiri mupenyu, nyama iwewe waune utano hwako hwakakwana.
Alright, thank you very much, Mr. Chabata. I think, Prince, you have just heard what Mom have said. He emphasized muchly about your future, about your personal life. So I think that was very much. So in rounding up, Mr. Chabata, what message, your last words, 2 words that you want to send out there so that people will appreciate?
My last words is Nakirwa Wakanyarara.
Alright, thank you very much, Mr. Prince Chabata. We wish you many more years to come. We thank you. Congratulations.
Yes, Mr. Chagu, I just want you to just highlight something you have seen here. Like, just congratulate your fellow bro that he turned 22. And what are your views?
My views about what?
About Prince, he's growing up, and what do you want to encourage him to do in the early future? Achikuita kani? Taku. I'm out.